Hello friends, welcome to English channel. You are with AJ. Today I have brought a very important topic for you, that is subject verb agreement. Of course, you are familiar with this term subject verb agreement, but I have brought some special cases like with, along with, together with, and as well as. How can we make our verb agree with these words? So let's start. The number first, I have written 3 sentences. The number 1, teachers along with principal are coming. See, here teachers and principal, these 2 words seem like to doer and are is used. We have seen that in subject verb agreement, verb agrees according to the subject. Now, here principal is the nearest doer of the verb are. According to the principal, we should have used is here if it is in present, but it is not so. We have used are according to the teachers, according to the first doer. So we can say whenever we get these types of words or these words in our sentences in the form of subject verb agreement, we have to go from a rule, that is, we can say it is subject 1, it is subject 2. Now we can form a very simple, a very basic rule here, subject 1 plus these words along with, together with, along with, as well as, together with, plus subject 2. Now HV helping verb according to subject 1. So this is very basic rule of these sentences, subject 1 along with, as well as, together with, or simply with, then subject 2, and then helping verb according to subject 1. So therefore this is subject 1 along with subject 2 and helping verb according to subject 1, and this is plural subject, and according to the plural subject we have used are here. Alright, same case with the next sentence, he as well as his friends is expected shortly. Look at here, he is a singular subject, we have used as well as his friends. We don't have to go with the second doer, This is the additional part, we call it additional part of the sentence. We can say he is expected shortly with his friends or together with his friends, or we can also use he as well as his friends is expected. So we have to go through the first doer, we have to use our verb or helping verb according to doer 1. So he as well as his friends is expected shortly. We often get confused with these type of sentences because we understand that the nearest subject of the verb will agree, or the verb will agree according to the nearest subject of it, of the sentence. So we often find it difficult to find the exact verb, like his friends looks plural subject. According to plural subject we have to use plural verb also, but it is not so in these type of words. In these words we have to use according to the doer 1, like in next sentence, I together with my family have been invited. Look at here, my family and I. There are two doers, but the main doer of the sentence is I, the first subject. We have to use our verb according to doer 1. I have been invited together with my family, or I together with my family have been invited. So these are three sentences, or we have to follow this a very simple rule, subject 1 along with, as well as if these was we find in sentence subject 2 and helping verb according to subject 1. So that is all, friends. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.